You've probably noticed more speed humps and raised crosswalks popping up around town lately. We've added them in high traffic areas to slow down motorists and help increase awareness of pedestrians crossing the street. We get it, you're in a rush, but safety comes first. A small slowdown can prevent serious crashes. These traffic calming measures are there to remind us all to be more aware of our speed and surroundings, especially in busy areas. Here at Flag Road, we recently raised the crosswalk at the driveway to Westmore Park, and also on Boulevard at Whiting Lane. If you come across one of these features, please slow down to about 20 miles an hour. And remember, yielding to pedestrians isn't just courteous, it's the law. This effort is part of West Hartford's Vision Zero action plan, which supports safe, healthy, and equitable mobility for everyone. Vision Zero is a national initiative to eliminate traffic-related fatalities and serious injuries. Want to learn more or take the safety pledge? Visit westhartfordct.gov/visionzero. Let's work together to build safer, more connected streets for everyone who lives, works, and travels in West Hartford.